guest tonight is an astrophysicist at New York's American Museum of Natural History. He's also the host of the PBS series Nova Science Now, and his new book is called Death by Black Hole. Please welcome Dr. Neil deGrasse Tyson. So much to talk about. First of all, you talk about in this book, you talk about many things, but you talk about the end of the Earth as we know it, and you seem excited about the whole thing. Is that fair to say?
How could you not be?
Uh-huh.
I mean, it's all the ways the universe wants to kill us.
Yes.
And there's not enough conversation about that, I think.
Right. So you're talking about, well, one of the things you talk about, and it's in the title, Death by Black Hole. Everyone's heard of a black hole. Different people have different levels of understanding. Mine is very rudimentary. I know it as a black hole. Maybe a star is imploding, light can't escape, everything's being sucked in. Is that right?
You got it.
Okay, all right. What would it be like to die by going into a black hole? What would that experience be like?
It's the way to go.
Yeah.
I mean, if you have your choice of getting hit by a car, dying in a nursing home, or falling into a black hole, the choice is easy for me.
You think black hole is the way to die?
Totally. It's the way to die.
Okay. Well, let's explain. Paint a picture for us. Let's say La Bamba. Let's say La Bamba was sucked into a black hole. Tell us, stage by stage, what would happen to La Bamba?
All right. So he would, if you go a feet first dive, what happens is...
And this is all true, what you're saying.
Oh, yeah, you can calculate it. It's there. We got it. We're on it. So your feet approach the black hole faster than your head does.
Okay.
Because the gravity's stronger at your feet.
Okay.
And at first, you're stretching, and that kind of feels good.
Right.
Initially.
It's stretching you a little bit, and it feels therapeutic.
It feels kind of good, therapeutic stretch.
Yeah.
Until that difference in gravity becomes greater than the molecular forces that hold your flesh together.
Ah.
And at that point, you snap into two segments.
Right.
And then each of those two segments, eventually they snap into two segments. You go from 1 to 2 to 4 to 8 to 16, and you're the stream of particles descending down to the abyss.
Are you feeling pain, or you're not? I guess I'm an ass now. Does it hurt when you're torn in half?
But it's worse than that, though. It's worse because the fabric of space and time funnels you.
Yes.
So that, in fact, you're occupying a narrower and narrower cone of space.
Right.
So you're getting extruded through the fabric of space-time like toothpaste through a tube.
Right. And you say this is preferable, you say, than having, like, 3 bottles of Jack Daniels and falling down a well, you know?
Yeah. I mean, if you had to choose, why not perform the irreversible experiment of your life?
Right. And become part of the cosmos in this trippy way.
Yeah, well, a part of the black hole of the cosmos. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. You have been in the news. Is this correct? There's something that happened in the news that you've been fascinated with, which is we all heard recently that a comet is headed towards Earth, an asteroid.
An asteroid.
And people were saying it's possible this thing could hit our planet in what year?
2036.
2036.
April 13th.
April 13th. They know the date.
Yeah. Let me check.
Yeah.
Oops, it's a feather from your.
Oh, that's a pagoda feather.
Yeah. April 13th.
Yeah. April 13th.
Yeah.
So, what will happen? Where will it strike? Do they know?
Oh yeah. If it strikes, and it hits the center of where we think it'll be, it'll plunge into the Pacific Ocean.
Right.
Cavitate the ocean with a 3-mile wide hole, 3 miles deep.
Right.
And at that point, a pulse of water rushes towards the coastline of North America.
Right.
Oh, happy birthday to me.
Then the water sloshes back in, and it keeps sloshing. And you get these pulses.
You get pulses,
and every pulse that hits the west coast of North America, it reaches those $1 million homes in Malibu, brings them out to the ocean, rushes them back, and they don't have the same shape that they used to.
Sure.
They're now this tumbling mass of debris.
I think we all understand, a house getting ripped apart.
Right, okay. And so it just
Something happens when the wave hits the house. It becomes a smaller period of particles than it was before.
So it might hit a 1 in 45,000 chance that it'll hit.
Now, wait a minute. 1 in 45,000, that's not happening.
Well, there are people who bet that they're going to win a lottery on worse odds than that.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the, you know, we got to straighten
Are scientists already working on if an asteroid's headed this way, the Armageddon idea of getting a bunch of movie stars
like
into Bruce Willis and put a bunch of people in a spaceship and they go and land on the asteroid and blow it up and then Liv Tyler and Ben Affleck make out? Is that
we got top people working on this problem?
Yeah, I've heard that before. Yeah, whenever a plumber says that to me, I know it's going to cost me $9,000.
We got like the nuke folks who want to like blow the thing out of the sky, and we got like the kindler, gentler solution where you'd send up a spacecraft that wants to fall in by gravity, but you use little retro rockets, and it slowly tugs it out of harm's way.
Interesting.
And that's what we want to do with this asteroid.
Why don't we just make a black cork?
We had moved on to the asteroid. You leave for periods of time and then come back.
I do.
You know what show you're on right now, don't you? As an astrophysicist, you have said that you are frustrated by how the stars and the cosmos is portrayed on television. You think that people don't pay enough attention to accuracy.
It's bad. It's bad. Like, in fact, forgive me, but your moon is just completely wrong.
Which one? This moon?
What do you mean, which one? You got one moon here. A moon. It's too large, it's the wrong phase, it's in the wrong part of the sky, and it's facing the wrong direction. I don't want to get anybody fired or anything on your set, but I had to get that off my chest. I've been trying to
Don't worry, we don't have a moon guy here. We don't have a specialization like that. Where should the moon be?
You come on in the middle of the night, you can't have a crescent moon.
Because there aren't crescent moons?
Not in the middle of the night. No, they're gone. They're gone. Crescent moons, unless you live in the Arctic.
Yeah.
They're gone. So that moon should be like turned this way.
Right.
It should be like a half moon or more.
Right.
And it should be further over New Jersey, and it should be smaller. I just had to. I'm sorry.
We're going to get right on that.
Yes,
yeah. Okay. that's clearly the most pressing problem on this show. All right. Well, death by black hole, which has been nicely solved by you. Yeah. We've got that one figured out. Black cork goes right in there, and we're set. Unbelievable. Is in stores now, and Nova Science Now airs on PBS, so check your local listings. And I hope you can come back, because we've got a lot more to talk about.
The universe is vast.
Yes, it is very vast. Okay. Neil deGrasse Tyson, thank you very much. We'll take a break. We'll be right back. That's our show. I want to thank all my guests. Stay tuned for Last Call with Carson Daly. Bye, everybody. Bye.